Here is a unique nutty chocolate that is so unique. You are never going to get anything close in the market that I can think of. I want you to enjoy chocolates with zero guilt and be rather benefited from eating than just adding empty calories. I have been living on such foods for over 2 years now and been rid with so called lifetime diseases. I will provide actual measurements and nutritional benefits as well at the end of this. We will use a food processor for this. If you do not have a food processor at home, you can still do this with the help of a small knife and a little effort to simulate the process manually. For those who may not be aware, carob is somewhat similar to cocoa in its taste and texture, but grows from a different plant. It is not bitter like cocoa and not as strong in flavor either. It is available at Amazon among others and is not prohibitively expensive. I will not say this is better than cocoa, but certainly is a variation from the usual chocolate. Mix some carob powder, honey and coconut oil. Use exactly the measurements I provide. I added here a little more coconut oil than needed but gave correct measurement in the ingredients list. Initially it may appear the mixture is running down, but as you mix thoroughly for a while, it will get the texture of a fine paste, and set this aside. With the help of a cutting blade in a food processor, crush the walnuts into small pieces. Make sure you do not over process. Otherwise it will become powder and will lose the crunch. Change the blade in the food processor to the plastic mixing blade. Add some dry coconut flakes or powder, cocoa powder, dates, some honey and a pinch of sea salt. Process the ingredients until the mixture has a sticky feeling but not very soft. Based on the quality of the dates, you may need to add or reduce the quantity of dates. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? Take a small quantity of the mixture and fill it slightly shy of brim in a tablespoon. If you do not have the standard measuring spoon set at home, use anything similar that is hollow and deep. Make a dent in the center with your forefinger and fill it with the carob mix from the initial step. Now put more walnut mix on top of it and press it firmly. Carefully slide the walnut choco out of the spoon and store. When should we consume this? Now this is the best part. You can eat anytime. It could be a post-dinner dessert or an evening snack or right after your breakfast or even after lunch. If you feel hungry after watching a midnight movie, which you shouldn't anyway, go ahead and eat this instead of munching commercially bought biscuits or cookies. When it comes to shelf storage, this stores well without getting spoiled for several weeks at room temperature. But if you are in a very hot climate, you may want to store in refrigerator so the coconut oil in the choco does not melt. What is good about this? Walnuts are good for brain. Dates and honey provide immediate energy. Carob is caffeine free and is a taste enhancer. Coconut oil is among the most healthy oils available. It is absolutely delicious and very unique in its taste. I have provided the ingredients list here for your reference with the exact measurements. If you are tired of eating only cocoa based chocolate and bars, you will find this refreshingly different. Although it belongs to the same class, the taste is different and there has no caffeine in this. It provides lot of energy and improves your brain power for sure. There is a school of thought that there is a produce in nature that is best for each part of our body and resembles that organ by color, texture or shape. Walnuts resemble brain and are believed to help us in a big way. You need to consume consistently though to notice and be benefited. I can certainly vouch for almonds, for example, improving memory power based on my own experience. Let me know in comments if you like this recipe and would like to give it a try. Do ask questions if I didn't mention anything that you were looking for. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and also click on the notification bell.